So what you want to do is you want to go into this new item here on the bottom, and you want to go to sequence. And you want to go to sequence, and I'm going to go into settings, and I'm going to choose custom. I'm going to choose 30 frames per second. Vertical is actually it's going to be 1080 horizontal and 1920 vertical over here. So it's going to be a 9:16 instead of your standard 16:9. I'm going to leave everything else the way it is, and then the preview I'm going to keep it the way it is, and then maximum render quality just for me, and then I'm going to save this preset for Instagram stories. So right here we're going to do Instagram stories. In the description I'm also going to write 1080 by 1920, and then it's going to be vertical content. So I'm going to press OK, and now once this sequence presets loads, there's going to be a whole folder called custom now, and now that is my custom preset that I've made for Instagram stories. And for if you're going to be doing your Instagram feed video, you're going to want it to be the same on both sides, so 1080 on both sides, 30 FPS, and keep everything the same. And you just want to do save preset, and then Instagram feed video, and then you're going to do 1080 by 1080 pixels, and I'm also going to add a 1:1 ratio. Actually, I'm just going to press enter there so I know what it is, and maybe just add a space there so I can see the difference. Press OK, and now both of our presets, the Instagram feed video and our Instagram stories, are here, and we just press OK to get into that preset.